Mr. Speaker, last month, a hospital worker in Paducah, Kentucky, applied for a loan of $38,500 to finance a manufactured home. He had an 8% down payment. His monthly income was $2,200 per month, plenty to cover the all-in housing costs of $670 per month. The payment for his own home would have been less than what he was spending on rent, but he was unable to get financing. He contacted his local banks and credit unions, but they did not finance manufactured homes. This hospital worker from Kentucky can't get financing because of the very entity that was created to protect consumers, the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau. That's right, the federal government is protecting people right out of home ownership. Consumers are protected so much they can't even purchase a manufactured home. Lenders have stopped making manufactured housing loans because of the Dodd-Frank Act and CFPB regulations. Even worse, current owners are having to sell their homes below market value to cash buyers because potential buyers can't find financing. And this isn't just anecdotal. Government statistics prove that CFPB rules have prevented credit-worthy consumers from accessing affordable financing that would allow them to purchase manufactured homes. According to 2014 HMDA data, manufactured home loan volume for loans under $75,000 decreased in the first year that these regulations went into effect. This is proof that many lenders who were previously willing to make manufactured home loans are no longer capable of doing so under Dodd-Frank. These are exactly the kinds of top-down, bureaucratic federal regulations that my constituents in rural Kentucky are fed up with. The CFPB has the authority to make adjustments to its requirements, but it has refused to act even when the data shows that consumers are being harmed. A bipartisan group of members of this body came together in the last Congress to do what the CFPB has refused to do. The House voted 3 times to make these changes so that people seeking to purchase manufactured homes would have access to financing. So I invite my colleagues to join me in this fight for consumers. Let's work together to make these changes to the CFPB and to their regulations and stop federal bureaucrats from hurting modest income Americans who need access to affordable housing and deserve access to the American dream of home ownership.